Hey, it's Aislyn from Pretty Hair is Fun, and today we're going to show you an awesome braided hairstyle. Let's get started.
Okay, the first thing we've done is split our hair down the middle. We're just going to be doing 2 Dutch braids that are going to be close to her middle part. And then we're going to join them together at the nape of her neck. So you want to keep them closer to the part line. So just start by going and putting the hair under, and then adding the hair in. So right here, I'm just going to clip it off. I'll braid it down just a few stitches. You can see I'm kind of angling the braid in a little bit because I'm going to be joining it with the one on this side. So I'm just going to clip that. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, I'm just going to tie this off, and before I join them together, I'm going to come and just stretch these braids a little bit. Okay, now I've got those all stretched, so now I'm just going to take them and kind of cross them on top of each other. I'm going to take a little elastic. I'm just going to join them. Okay, so now I'm just going to wrap this elastic. So I'm just going to grab a section from back behind, wrap it around before moving on. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Topsy tail. And I'm going to turn the ponytail so the front is in the back. Stick this down behind. And just pull that down through the back of the ponytail. Like that. Okay, and for this next section, I'm just going to do a fishtail braid, just quickly. I like doing fishtails with large sections. They go a little bit quicker, and I really like how they look. Okay, so right now I'm just a little under halfway the rest of her hair. So I'm going to tie it off. And I'm going to stretch this braid out too. Okay, now I'm going to wrap this one as well and just do the same thing I did before. Okay, and for this last one little section, I'm just going to do a 3-strand braid. Just make these sections as long as you need to according to the length of the hair you're working with. I'm going to stop right here so I can leave a little bit of a tail. Put in my elastic and have something to be able to wrap this end with. Stretch this braid wide. And then wrap the elastic one more time. That is our 3-tiered braided hairstyle.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and check out these cool videos. See you next week.